All right, guys, let's get ready. We're gonna do a last-minute challenge. That my sister-in-law, Selene, brought this, one of the hottest hot sauces in the world, and Maya stepping up to the game. Yes, I punked out. So Maya's gonna do some on a spoon. So let's get ready. Get on camera, woman. Ready and go, Maya.
You can't see it.
Right there, right there, right there. There you go.
Okay, this is ridiculous. I can't do it.
Come on, Maya.
I'm gonna die.
Don't think.
Yes, it's meant to. It's meant to wind like a river.
There you go.
Oh, it's not that hot.
No?
At first.
Want to put more in a spoon?
No, don't think nothing.
I
can't live it? No.
You gotta let it kick in. Let it kick in, man. What are you feeling right now in your mouth?
Oh, it's burning my throat.
What does it feel?
Did you get? How much did you get? A
Come on.
dime bag. A dime bag. A dime bag. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm good.
I started talking a little weird after I...
Now, doesn't it burn your back? Oh my god, I feel like I have a hole.
Oh, here we go.
I told her to just wait.
Like you have a hole?
Don't cough, it's gonna make it worse.
Have Dad do it now.
Oh, dude, this is bad. I'm eating this one.
It's peor que el jabón. I don't know if that will make it better.
It's probably gonna make it burn more. That's bad. Maya, you gave birth a bunch of times.
Come on.
It was much different. It didn't burn after. It didn't burn after. She's like, but it didn't burn.
It didn't burn your
Burn
throat.
somewhere outside.
That's okay? Yeah.
That's it, man? What do you have to say for the folks at home?
It's like you have it's barely going away from me right now.
Yeah, it's gonna last
What,
like that
baby?
for about 10, 15 minutes.
They went mimis. When I take it, burns. Drink some apple cider.
Or milk. Yeah. Drink some soda.
Come on, Maya.
You drink soda. Is that my tamale?
Yeah.
I want to put some on
Eat
my
some
tamale.
tamales.
Do it.
But it's like, cause it's actually pretty good. It's not like nasty hot. It's just freaking
Yeah, Maya's trying to.
You know what?
Maya's
I
trying to
drink
cool
the
down.
thing, but Mom heated it up, so maybe not that.
Maya, props to you, dude, because I didn't even
You're
tempt
savage,
it.
Maya.
I didn't even tempt it. Maya with the milk, trying to kill it.
I don't want to kiss everything in case I have chili. No, the chili. And you know how sometimes.
Come on, what do you tell them? Make sure to, Mom.
Smash that like button.
Mom.
Smash, 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 smash.
That like button.
Dude, it burns. Like it makes your throat burn really bad.
They put lottery tickets,
That's next.
coins, and a few dollars every time someone will open it.
All right.
I can't even breathe. I gotta lay down.
Let's get it, man. I swear I love my squad. I love my team. All I know, my bros loyal. These walls loyal.